So Yohan Blake, the second fastest man on earth, right? One of the best sprinter in the 2015-2016 eras. After Usain Bolt, nobody comes close to him. Guess what happened to him? He recently participated at the Jamaican National Olympic Trials. But guess what the shock of the day is that nobody is talking about him. Nobody is even worried whether he has won his heat yesterday at the Jamaican National Trials or not. And I feel like he caused this upon himself. When people were dragging him and saying, Yohan, you need to retire. Yohan, you need to rest. Yohan, you need to retire just like Osembo did. Yohan, you have your time. Allow the young sprinters to take over. Yohan was so stubborn and he was like, no, I don't want to give up. Now look what happened to him. There is this big African proverb that says, a good dancer must know when to leave the stage. No matter how good you are, if you don't know and don't learn when to leave the stage, it's going to be a very big problem for you. And I feel like Yohan Blake falls under that situation. Look, I'm not saying that Yohan Blake is not good. He is very good. After Usain Bolt, nobody comes close to him. But guess what? He did not learn this earlier. He did not learn the power of um leaving the stage when it is time to leave the stage. He should have retired last year, I think last 2 years, when he went to the Eugene World Athletic Championship in Eugene, right? He qualified in 2022 at the Eugene World Athletic Championship, right? And he was disqualified in the semi-final. He should have retired right in 2022. It would have been a little bit quite better. But look at how he ended his last dance in a very disgraceful and embarrassing moment, right? And I know a lot of you are going to argue with me that what I'm saying is trash, what I'm saying is this. But look, I'm not gonna hide the truth. Yohan Blake did this to himself. He came fifth position last night at the Jamaican Olympic National Trials. Let me show you the result of the race that happened yesterday at the Jamaican Olympic National Trials. So Yohan Blake came fifth position. Oblique civilly won the race in a time of 9.98 seconds, right? And the person that took the second position is Brian Level in 10.07 seconds, right? And the person that took third position is Gio, from the Gio group, Janali Gondon in 10.09 seconds, right? And here comes Yohan Blake in fifth position in a time of 10.21 seconds. Very embarrassing, very disappointing. I was hoping to see him come at least second position, right? But look at the position Yohan Blake landed. If he should, if he could have listened to people's advice telling him to retire earlier, this could not have happened. This could have been avoided. Sometimes it's not all about not giving up. Sometimes you have to look at the situation and you have to choose what is actually best for you. And now I want to make a very quick warning in this video. Despite the fact that he ended up being disgraced, this does not mean that you should look down on him, right? But the big question is, who are you to look down on Yohan Blake? What have you achieved in athletics that gives you the moral, the confidence to mock him and look down on him? You don't have such right. He has set record. He is the second fastest man on earth. You, what have you done in athletics? Nothing. So you don't have any right to call his name and be dragging him and calling him a failure. No, he is a role model and I respect him and I respect and love him I love his charisma. I love how kind he is. And I love what he has done. It's just that he has found himself in a situation that cannot be avoided. Let me hear your opinions and don't forget to like and subscribe.